AI revolutionizing science education. Struggling with biology, physics, or chemistry, traditional teaching methods often fall short, making science feel complex and unengaging. But understanding science is key to critical thinking and future opportunities. Imagine an AI-powered science learning assistant. It offers customized explanations, virtual simulations, and experiments tailored to your needs. It tracks your progress and adapts the content just for you. Our AI Science Learning Hub creates a personalized learning path based on your progress. Explore 3D simulations of chemical reactions and anatomy. Get instant feedback and even ask questions to our AI voice assistant. We built a prototype with personalized lessons and 3D simulations tested by students on basic biology. The AI adapts lessons using your data, while simulations visualize complex topics. Real-time feedback supports your learning and corrects errors instantly. Science learning becomes more engaging and fun. Personalized content improves understanding, and real-time feedback reduces confusion. It's accessible to everyone, regardless of background. We prioritize data privacy, ensuring your information is protected. The AI is designed to be accessible to all, promoting equity. Accuracy is paramount, and all content is scientifically verified. Remember, AI supports teachers, it doesn't replace them. Want to learn more? Check out Future Ed Journal 2024, EdTech Review 2023, and ScienceLabs.com 2022 for in-depth articles and research.